Hello everyone! Welcome back to our drawing channel. Today we're going to draw Nick and Judy from Zootopia 2. Let's get started right now. First, we begin with Nick's eyes. Draw the left eye first with a relaxed shape. Then, draw the right eye to match it. Now, move to the right eyebrow. Make it slightly raised to show his confident look. Next, draw the left eyebrow. Keep it smooth and gentle. Now draw Nick's nose, small and rounded at the tip. Then draw his mouth. Let it curve into a small, sly smile. Next, draw the top of his head. Follow the natural fox shape. Now draw the two fox ears pointing up and slightly tilted outward. Continue down to draw his neck. Add the bow tie neatly at the center. Next, draw the collar of his formal suit. Now continue drawing the jacket body. Add the rest of the suit details. Draw the pants straight down. Then draw one fox foot pointing slightly outward. Now draw the tail. Make it long and slightly curved upward. Next, it is time to draw Judy the bunny. Start with her two big eyes. Make them wide open and slightly lifted. Now draw her eyebrows, soft and friendly. Move on to her nose and mouth, small nose and a gentle smile. Draw the outline of her face, nice and smooth. Now draw the small flowers on top of her head, cute and delicate. Next, draw her long bunny ears, tall and big on top of her head. Continue by drawing a few flowers around her neck. Now draw her arms, crossed confidently in front. Next, draw her waist. Then draw the lower part of the dress. Let the skirt flare out slightly. Under the skirt, draw her legs, pointing gently to both sides. Now the line art is complete. Let's move on to coloring. Color Nick's fur orange. Use cream or light yellow-brown around the eyes, inside the ears, and lighter fur areas. Color the tail with darker orange or deep brown. Color the formal suit dark navy blue. Color the fox feet dark brown. Now let's color Judy. Color the inside of her ears light pink. Color her mane fur light brown. Color her legs darker brown or dark gray. Color her beautiful gown bright yellow. Now add more detailed colors and soft shading. This will help Nick and Judy stand out even more. Now let's talk about some really fun and interesting facts about Zootopia 2. And trust me, you will want to stay until the very end for this part. Zootopia 2 brings us back to a city where animals of every size, shape, and personality somehow survive living together. But this time, the movie goes even deeper. We're not just visiting familiar places, we're discovering brand new districts that make you wonder, how does this city even work? There may be icy zones where animals need extra layers, hot desert areas where everyone moves a little slower, and secret underground places that most citizens never talk about. Every new location feels like a surprise waiting to happen. Now let's talk about Nick and Judy, because yes, they are still the heart of the story. In Zootopia 2, they are more experienced, smarter, and slightly more tired. They've seen things. They know that solving cases is not as simple as it looks. One fun thing is how their partnership has evolved. They understand each other so well that sometimes they don't even need to speak. One look from Judy and Nick already knows something is about to go wrong. And when Nick smiles a certain way, Judy knows trouble is probably nearby. Zootopia 2 also introduces new characters, and not all of them are what they seem. Some characters may look cute and friendly, but surprise, they might cause the biggest problems. Others may look scary at first, but turn out to be surprisingly helpful. This keeps the audience guessing. Who can we trust? Who should we watch closely? And who is hiding something behind a very innocent face? The movie is also packed with clever details, small background moments, jokes hidden in signs, and tiny reactions from characters that are easy to miss. If you blink, you might miss something funny, so watching closely is part of the fun. Another reason people love Zootopia is how it talks about real life, but in a way that feels light and entertaining. It shows that everyone has strengths, flaws, and bad days, even a confident fox, even a determined bunny. And here's something that keeps viewers hooked. The city of Zootopia itself feels more alive than ever. The streets, the buildings, the crowds, they all help tell the story. Sometimes the funniest moments happen in the background. By the end of Zootopia 2, you may realize that this movie is not just about solving a case. It's about teamwork, mistakes, learning, and growing together. And that's what makes people want to watch it again. So, if you made it this far, you're definitely a true Zootopia fan. Now, look at your drawing. It looks amazing. Great job, everyone. Thank you for drawing with me today. See you next time. Bye-bye.